I think I'll have my sugar consumption for the week after this.
Balancing.
Balancing.
Balancing. Yeah.
That's a
flower shape pa.
that's a perfect donut.
Perfect donut.
Good job, my friend. This is good.
Simple donut.
Yeah,
It's
simple
very
donut.
simple donut.
Sometimes the most simple is the best, though. That's delicious.
Breadcrumbs. Yeah, donut breadcrumbs.
There's like 100 in there.
Oh, plastic.
Delicious. Oh, you like this one? Why this one?
Yeah.
It's what?
Kiss me.
Whoa! Ah! Whoa!
Asa to plastic kagmay? The plastic kagmay. At ano kayo manghata ko?
I think Daniel already had 5.
Oh,
Abi.
siyan mo dong.
5?
Sabutan ko sama tani.
No unlimited. No unlimited. Eating ka eating. Full ka full. Asa to plastic?
Di man ako nakaon pa.
Ha? Tunod de. Pakita ko. Pakita ako dahay.
Friends, away dire friends.
Wala na akong tutor.
Pun eh.
Dustin.
Hmm.
Next year. Usaha tadi
I forgot.
business donut.
Business donut?
Yeah.
You should make a business on making donuts.
Cebu.
Yeah,
Toledo.
Yeah.
Vans. Toledo.
that'd be a good idea. You should.
Idea.
Yeah.
5 pesos.
You do it from here or go to Cebu? Go to Cebu and do it.
Cebu. Toledo.
Hmm. You should.
1,000 pesos.
These are good.
Simple na simple. Free delivery. House to house.
You're gonna go deliver those?
House to house. My
Alright.
friend.
Hey.
My friend delivery. You.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ikaw na
Yeah.
sa
You guys are trying to get me fat.
Tabi init kay. Nil.
No.
What are we gonna do with all these donuts?
Dunkin.
Ablay ko te.
Dunkin
Lang.
donut.
Ma, maligya na ma. No, sunod na lang. Maligya ba? Makaroon ka sa tahaga na to. Princess, napadagan dong.
Kaning
Ikaw ito si
Gladys. Oh, si Kim. Pari aday.
Kim, mali Kim. Sorry, day. Andara ka tuning do. Mama do, asam
Dira ka tuning.
Tuning, mabuning.
Mahal.
Tulo. Apa na nalay sudli nila kada usa oy.
Oh, lagi. Kari kan
Yang
tuning.
butang ikamay. Sila nalay mix.
Kaya
Puni pa.
katong kutsara. Gamay.
Dara.
Teaspoon. Naon ni mar.
Yo kira na.
Ya ha. Unique niya. Pakit onta mo. Tag margarine
Ay
usa.
nagda.
Usa lang.
Gihipos
Gamay lang.
Gihipos na
Ako
gihipos
pa
na.
kanon ring margarine ang kamay. Pakit pasoya lang ba. Ano lang soya lang ko. Pasoy ko ba. Margarine niya kamay.
Dali pa ba?
Suway ba suway karon. Niya raman.
Ko ato. Ito dali.
Tutukan mo. Di ka masugo. Wa ba? Muumot mo ka. Disting ba kay era musikat ko.
Oh, come on. Let me just have a taste. Come on. Itchy.
Ito biha.
Ano sa? Ya lah. Ko sa din buwan.
Paano eh?
Premio. Special 1.
Di mo siya makaon na margarine.
Ay, iki lang. Bakilo raman ug di sa ginahan. Di man available. Palihog ko be. So, di mo pag-update di man na masug.
What you gonna do with the big butt?
Wiggle. Ah, unique.
He just messaged me and sending that one. Ano kang Kim?
Oreo. For you.
For me?
Margarine.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay mo.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know if I can have any more.
No.
All right, I can't say no. All right, that's for the delivery.
Delivery.
The first delivery of many.
Yan kang Kim, Iman.
Dara.
Oh.
Nanay na.
Nanay ni ha?
Mo ay dungon mo wata
Nanay
mo.
ka nanay ni mo. Nanay ni mo. May tiig boy ha. Nanay na.
Mama.
Kim, this is Kim. Her father is the one that makes the coconut juice, and he climbed the first tree to get the beehive, and we ate the honey with him. And her brother is Francis, who's been in other videos with us. Francis! That is pretty good with margarine on it.
Balik lang ka diri ha.
Magbibitan na sa gisa.
This is my last one though. This is like number 4.
Oh.
It's delicious, but...
Eight.
8. Richie, can I ask you a serious question? Do you think Raymond's funny?
Morning usa.
Look at the resemblance. Bye, Kim.
An sa kanan ay tumotoring ha.
No, not me. Raymund.
Was that you?
Raymund.
What you gonna do? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh man, you're gonna squeeze something out.
Picturean ka.
All right, so Daniel's got his donuts. He's gonna give to his grandma, his Lola and Lala. Wait, what is it? Lola and
Lola.
Lola,
Lolo.
Lola and Lulu.
Lola and Lolo. I like that.
All right, Daniel's gonna go deliver to his grandparents. All right, yeah.
Next.
Next,
From me.
another one?
Another. You.
Huh?
Because of
I can't eat anymore. I can't eat anymore. I'm full.
He needs juice.
Yeah.
He will eat snacks later.
Gusto mo ginam ka kamay ka na.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Enjoy your donuts.
I thought you don't know how to speak. Always.
That's our language. Every time they walk around, that's what we talk. We go ah, blah 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 blah.
That's your way of communicating.
Yeah.
Communicating each other.
I
Do
can't
you
speak.
understand him?
I can't speak Messiah. They can't speak English. Yeah, we go ah, blah 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 blah.
Do you know?
Yeah,
Do you understand?
yeah. Well, he was on my basketball team in Raymond too, and when he wants the ball, he's like ah, blah 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 blah.
Why Clara?
Hey.
Why Clarix?
Are you gonna eat that? You sure?
Jabberwockies.
You should do a TikTok dance with your dad. Do a TikTok dance with your dad.
Next time.
Next time. Later, like Raymond says. Daniel brought home a papaya. Thank you, Daniel.
It's marami.
Okay, now.
Hindi, kuwari day.
Sorry, okay.
Is it good?
Yeah. Stick.
Want some? Oh, he? Alright.
Wala, Dustin.
Mm.
Ito, unjad yan ako.
Here, show him, show him.
Neil.
Hey! Ready for what?
Dito yung mother and father bamboo.
Mother and father bamboo?
Yeah.
Alright, for the house?
Where's mine?
No. No.
Sorry.
Raymond, bambo. Bambo. Saan ito ganyan?
These small ones are never enough. I want more.
Bamboo house, Raymond.
Yan na, nisayang ka na na. Yan na yung nahurot eh. Wala na, oy.
Bamboo
Hala.
Oh, she got a spoons. A little late.
Say my bag.
Simutan na. Uy, huwag sana.
Is anything on my face? Yeah. Where? Right here. Here. Right here? Raymund, I like your beard. How long does it take you to grow that?
2 months.
2 months? Wow.
Dance, tala ka rin. Tila ko.
Yeah, let's see a tala dance.
Napadagan ka pa sa lola.
Show him, Kim.
Not this time.
Kim.
Next year.
Okay.
Next
Next year, okay.
Dance time.
All right. Richie, I want to see you dance too.
Ayo.
Tala daw. Hayo! Hayo!
Alright. It's off.
Vilma, Richie, ba't ka na? Pag na. Hindi pa nibig na pa. Ako, abi. Ako, tibi.
Go, go.
Hindi pa bugna.